Within the past 30 minutes, President Donald Trump says no deal was reached on DACA last night. There had been previous reports that the president had come to an agreement at dinner with top Democrats, Chuck Schumer and Nancy Pelosi. Both Schumer and Pelosi claim the possible agreement excluded funding for the border wall. But on Twitter this morning, President Trump said massive border security would have to be agreed to in exchange for consent. He also said the wall will continue to be built. The president announced last week that he was ending DACA, an Obama-era program protecting undocumented immigrants brought to the U.S. as young children.